this phone is consuming a lot of amps. If you connected it to DC now, it will take about up to 3 point something amp, which is not okay. So we don't know which components that develop the issue, but we are going to use simple strategy to find the short. So let's connect our meter for now. Your black will go to your positive and your red will go to ground, like this. So look at what is showing now. So the phone is short. So let's try and find the short now. So for us to find the short, at least let me just connect it to my DC first for you to see what I was talking about. So you see now, see what it's taking now. 440, that is what it was taking. So let's apply our chemical on this surface and see the component that is doing all these things. So let's wait and see. Oh, this CPU is bad. As you can see now, it's drying up. The CPU is drying up. So you can try this way and find your short. Just keep on holding. It's drying up. Let's take a look. That shows that, as you can see now, the rest of the components are still wet, but the CPU now is drying up gradually. Can you see? So the CPU now is the problem. So you remove it. It's either you change it or you reboil it. That is how you find the short. And I'm going to make another video on how you're going to find a short using the browsing paste and the short killer machine. So this one, I just use my DC to detect it. See the amp now. The amp is almost 4.55 amp now, and the voltage has accumulated to 4 to 3 point something. So see the IC now is drying up. It's very hot now. So thanks for watching and share this video.